Well, good morning, and this is going to be a brief explanation of how to work through creating the first map for your 2018 midterm elections. In our daily log, you need to open the ArcGIS platform that already has all the layers that you will need for the midterm elections. When you open it, you're going to need to sign in. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in. And then you'll be able to save the map to your account. In order to do that, you would simply go up here and say Save As. Now, I've already saved the map, and I called it my master. So I'm going to go to my content, and I'm going to look through here for my midterm election 2018 Fairfax master. When I open that, this is sort of my working document that I will then create my 3 maps based on. The first map, again, is at the USA level. And you have your choice to compare the elections from 2012 and 2016, or you have a choice to look at the county elections. If you choose option number 1, which was the state elections, your instruction sheet tells you what fields to symbolize or change the style based on. If you choose option 2, looking at the counties, you will use the counties 2016. Again, it talks about using predominant mapping to show how strongly candidate won by. And in a separate video clip, I will show you and review how to complete or create the style based on predominant mapping. You are happy with how you've created your map, you'll do a save as, and you'll save it as map 1. Again, I've already done this, so instead of saving this current map, I'm just going to go and open the map 1. For my map 1, I chose to show the 2016 voting by county. I haven't changed the symbology. That is where you would then go into your counties layer and change the symbology based on the fields % Democrat and % GOP. It seems pretty easy at this point to be done. However, there are a few things you should consider to make your map better. First, you're going to want to configure your pop-ups to identify some important information, so that when you click on each region or area, it will show up with a statement similar to this, or a sentence, as opposed to the normal information of something like this, where it shows just the entire attribute table. I will show you in a separate video how to configure the pop-ups. Once you're done with your map, you're going to save the whole thing, and then you will go and kind of insert this map into your web mapping application of a story map. And again, I will show you how to put together the story map in a separate video clip. Once you've finished your map 1, you're going to save it again, and then you're done with map 1, and you move on to map 2. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.